Deep in the heart of Malaysia lies Taman Negara, one of the world's oldest rainforests, estimated to be over 130 million years old. This vast, untouched wilderness is home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna, including elusive Malayan tigers and the endangered Asian elephant. Indigenous tribes, like the Orang Asli, have thrived here for centuries, preserving centuries-old traditions and knowledge about the forest. One remarkable feature is the canopy walkway, which stretches over 500 meters above the ground, providing breathtaking views and a unique perspective on this lush ecosystem. However, the forest holds secrets yet untold, with new species and ancient medicinal plants continuously being discovered, all waiting to share their remarkable stories.